Have you ever wondered why every grandmother, aunt, and neighbor suddenly becomes a food police officer when you're pregnant? Don't eat papaya, avoid pineapple, be careful with the sesame seeds. But is papaya really dangerous? It's one of the very important questions to ask, and is it just another pregnancy myth is something that I am going to address. I am Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers, and today we are going to see or understand the reason why papaya is often advised to be avoided while trying to conceive or during pregnancy, and when is it actually safe. It's not all of the papaya. First, let's clear the biggest confusion. There are two types of papaya, raw or semi-ripe papaya, and the second type is fully ripe papaya. They behave very differently in the body. Raw papaya contains latex, papain enzyme, and these substances can stimulate uterine contractions and soften the cervix. In early pregnancy, when implantation is fragile, this stimulation may increase the chances of miscarriage. What about ripe papaya then? These have much lower levels of the compounds that I mentioned. So the danger mainly lies with raw or partially ripe papaya and not small amounts of fully ripe fruit. So how can it affect pregnancy? Raw papaya is what we're talking about now. Let's talk about the biology behind it. Raw papaya contains latex which mimics prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are chemicals that your body is naturally producing to trigger labor. So consuming raw papaya can increase uterine contractions, cause cervical softening, interfere with implantation, increase bleeding risk in early pregnancy. Papain is another enzyme in raw papaya which is also not good. This can disrupt progesterone action, affect potential development, cause uterine irritation. Animal studies and observational data have suggested these effects, which is why doctors advise caution, especially for first trimester, IVF for assisted conception, previous miscarriages, high risk pregnancies. So it's not superstition, it's physiology. What about women trying to conceive? If you're trying to get pregnant, especially naturally or through IVF, the first 2 weeks after ovulation are very critical. This is when implantation happens. During this window, anything that increases uterine activity may reduce implantation chances. So we usually recommend avoiding raw papaya, pineapple core, also aloe vera juice and excessive herbal teas, because your embryo needs a calm receptive uterus and not contractions in it. So we ask you to avoid these products. Is papaya safe? Yes, in moderation it is safe. Fully ripe papaya contains vitamin C, folate, fiber, antioxidants. Small portions of ripe papaya are generally safe in low risk pregnancies. But if you have had recurrent miscarriages, IVF transfers, spotting, cervical weakness, then it's better to avoid it completely just to be safe. Remember, pregnancy is not the time to experiment. So the simple truth is papaya is not poison, but raw papaya contains compounds that may stimulate the uterus and interfere with early pregnancy. This is why doctors advise avoiding when trying to conceive and during pregnancy, especially during the first trimester. When it comes to fertility and pregnancy, natural doesn't always mean safe. Protect implantation, support progesterone, and keep the uterus calm. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.